Can somebody please do number 1?
Do couple often live together before they get married?
Good, good. One more time, Ivan. Try to put a little bit more stress. You had very good pausing. But do couples often live together before they get married?
Okay, do couples often live together before they get married?
Very good. That was really good. In Japan, do they buy very expensive rings for engagement?
Oh, you can like it. Some people do that.
I heard that they're very expensive in Japan.
So how can I the wedding ring? How can I call it?
Yeah, engagement ring.
Engagement ring.
Right. So there's
In Japan usually say price is 3 months income.
right.
3 months.
That 3-month salary. Yeah.
Yeah, salary. 3 months salary.
Yeah.
What happens at the traditional wedding?
Okay. How long are people usually engaged before they get married?
Oh,
No,
good.
it's how long
Engaged.
are people
Engaged.
usually engaged
How long
before they are get
people
married?
usually engaged?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts.
Ah,
Good. Hey guys, try to answer the questions also.
Oh, try to answer the question.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to answer the question, give a longer answer, and like answer plus, and then try to ask a follow-up question.
okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Yeah. Would you like to ask me one?
I ask you, what happens at the traditional wedding?
In the United States, well, it depends because there are so many different cultures in America.
Mm.
But I mean, sort of like the movie wedding, you know, there's a white dress.
White
The
dress.
father takes the bride and gives the bride to the husband.
Dun, 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 dun.
Exactly. And then usually one thing that's interesting is that people bring gifts.
Bring gifts?
Yeah, for the guests bring gifts. But recently they have a new thing that's called registry. And what happens is the couple goes to a department store and they pick all of the things that they want.
Oh.
And then the guest goes to the website and they say, okay, we'll buy this, we'll buy this.
Really?
Yeah. The reason they do that is because like in the past, sometimes the guests would bring bad gifts, or maybe they'd bring the same thing.
Ah.
So this is like a new system. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Would you like me to explain any of these? You say, Josh, could you please explain blank again? Or if you want to, you can get a little extra point if you explain something. You could say, I'd like to explain, and you can get a point.
I can explain legitimacy now.
Okay, let's hear it.
Legitimacy, that means who is the children's father or mother, and who legally owns the child.
That's a
or and that means the children's mother is legal.
very good.
Parents
So,
are legal.
a key thing about legitimacy is that that as Ray said, it's legal. So the children legally are connected and recognized by society.
Yes. And the parents
by society.
Yes.
Yep. Good. That's excellent, Ray. Very good. What would you do? Oops, sorry, there's a little mistake here. It says, what would you do if you found out that your friend's spouse was cheating on your friend?
Now,
Yeah, sorry. It should be, what would you do if you... Do you remember spouse? Spouse means husband or wife. So what would you do if you found out, sorry, it should be here, if you found out that your friend's spouse was cheating on your friend? So it's not a real situation right now. It's just an imaginary situation. So maybe in this situation, for example, imagine, like Christy, imagine if you were at a restaurant and you saw your friend's husband kissing another woman.
Oh,
What would you do?
crazy.
I was sleeping.
I will call my friend and told her.
So now you would say, I would
I would.
call my friend.
I got it. So it's if. So I need to say, I would call my friend.
Exactly. And I would tell her.
I would tell her. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Would you, how about other people? Would you call your friend and would you tell your friend, or would you say nothing?
I would take a picture and blackmail him.
Poe, you are a very, very good businessman.
Definitely. Definitely.
Remember that for homework tonight, you should prepare your PDP slides and put them on Canvas. Christy and Poe, you already did yours. Great, thank you. Christy and Poe, please stay, and I'm going to give you feedback. Okay, and then tomorrow you can do your pre. Okay. Look at page 54 and think about your answers. And then please practice the Quizlet set, making if sentences. Study the Quizlet set about marriage vocabulary. And then also, please review the lecture concepts. The concepts from from the CT 12 lecture. Because tomorrow there's a quiz, right? Quiz tomorrow. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So that's all for today. And Poe and Christy, please stay on the call, and you and I can talk. And maybe who wants to go first? Christy, is it okay? Okay, Christy, ladies first. Thank you. So just give me 2 minutes. I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
And then Poe, please come back at 2:45.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, and other people, I'll see you tomorrow. Christy, just wait 2 minutes, okay?
No problem.
All right, thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.